Now, beyond the highly political tussle that is the reconstitution of the IEBC, are people who are staring at the risk of denial of their right to representation. For instance, the people of Banisa constituency in Mandera County ought to have a substantive representative in the National Assembly in the next 12 days. Yet it is obvious that this will not happen. Several electoral wards are staring at a similar scenario, as Ibrahim Karanja reports.
Clause 4B of Article 101 of the Constitution of Kenya on election of members of parliament states that whenever a vacancy occurs in the office of a member of the National Assembly elected under Article 97(1)(a) or (b), a by-election shall be held within 90 days of the occurrence of the vacancy. Yet 78 days since National Assembly Speaker Moses Wetangula declared the Banisa constituency seat as vacant, there is no hope that the seat shall be filled within the next 12 days.
We are staring at what you'd call a constitutional crisis. Why? Because we cannot have, it is not envisaged within our constitution that a constituency such as Banisa would remain unrepresented.
The Banisa seat fell vacant following the death of Kulo Maalim Hassan, who represented the constituency under the United Democratic Movement Party. Party leader Ali Roba is now pushing for a law to cure the lacuna currently witnessed, where there are no commissioners to foresee the commission's activities.
Amendment to the law has to be done and adapted, and that law to be amended, it's because it's a law that is going to be amended without favoring anybody in particular. It's a lacuna in law that need to be addressed. It is better if it was approached in a bipartisan position, where then everybody sees this is done for posterity rather than to favor anybody.
Roba, the senator for Mandera, also serves the affected Banisa constituency. His party has already identified its flag bearer and are only awaiting the call for a by-election.
Your brother's name is Barre Maalim Hassan Sheto. Is the younger brother of the late, MP, and somewhat as at now, we do not know what will happen before maybe when the time schedule for presentation of documents takes shape, what's going to happen. However, where we stand right now, it's very likely that he's going to be unopposed.
Other electoral units may soon find themselves in the Banisa situation if the recruitment of IEBC commissioners is not resolved soon. They include Kisa East Ward in Kakamega County and Chewani Ward in Tana River County. Aside from the vacancies occasioned by deaths, the courts nullified elections of MP seats in Lagdera and Magarini constituencies, as well as in Nyansiongo, West Kasipul and Lugari wards in Nyamira, Homa Bay and Kakamega counties respectively, which, depending on outcomes of petitions, may again find the people without representation.
Can the commission, as presently constituted with Marjan and the officers in the field, can they conduct a by-election? Is it an administrative issue of just replacing the MP, or does it require a policy decision? I think that's a question that we need clarity. And we have asked the IEBC, and we are hoping in the next few days we are also going to ask our legal experts to be able to give a position as far as that is concerned, because Kenyans deserve to know exactly what is going on and exactly what is going to transpire under the circumstances.
Aside from the by-elections, there is the boundary review exercise, which the IEBC is expected to have concluded by March of 2024. And given the slow pace and the lack of end in sight in resolving the IEBC hago, then the Commission will have less than 8 months to sort out the highly political and highly emotive boundary review exercise. Azimio leaders have remained adamant that if the recruitment of IEBC commissioners is undertaken against their will, they shall also name their own commission, an impossibility dismissed by Prime Cabinet Secretary Musalia Mudavadi.
Sheria ya Kenya inatambua one IEBC.